Today's top 10 AI stories. In global AI news, South Korean AI chipmaker raises $400 million for inference. The evolving AI inference market presents opportunities for new players, such as Rebellions, to offer silicon diversity. This is a significant development from South Korean AI chipmaker, with more details expected in the coming days. Breaking from India, SheSparks 2026, How Women Leaders Are Enabling the Workforce to Build AI Skills in GCCs. Leaders from KYNDRYL and BT Group discuss how women are shaping AI-powered GCCs, seizing opportunities, and building strong sponsorships. As global capability centers, GCCs evolve into strategic hubs for enterprise artificial intelligence, AI, conversations around the role of women in an Korea. This is a significant development from SheSparks, with more details expected in the coming days. In global AI news, Frontier Radar Number 2, Why AI Productivity Gets Lost Between Benchmarks and the Balance Sheet. Generative AI leads to measurable time savings on many tasks. But a gap remains between faster task completion and measurable economic impact. Verification overhead, limited metrics, and organizational inertia often prevent benchmark gains from translating into broader productivity gains. The article Frontier Radar Number 2, Why AI Productivity Gets Lost Between Benchmarks and the Balance Sheet appeared first on the Decoder. Breaking from Asia, Geek Plus reports $440 million revenue in 2025, achieves full-year profitability. Geek Plus, 2590.HK, the global leader in autonomous mobile robots, reported 2025 revenue of 3.17 billion renminbi, $437 million, up 31.6% YoY, with adjusted net profit of 43.8 million renminbi, $6 million. This is a significant development from Geek reports, with more details expected in the coming days. Breaking from the United States, Bluesky's new app is an AI for customizing your feed. The latest app from the team behind Bluesky is TA, an AI assistant that lets you build your own algorithm. At the Atmosphere conference, Bluesky's former CEO, Jay Graber, and CTO Paul Frazee unveiled TA, which is powered by Anthropic's Claude and built on top of Bluesky's underlying AT protocol, AT-Proto. TA allows users to. Breaking from the United States, you can now use ChatGPT with Apple's CarPlay. ChatGPT is now accessible from your CarPlay dashboard if you have iOS 26.4 or newer and the latest version of the ChatGPT app, 9 to 5 Mac reports. Apple's recently launched iOS 26.4 update added support for voice-based conversational apps in CarPlay, opening the door to let you use AI chatbots with voice features through Apple's in-car platform. This is a significant development from Apple, with more details expected in the coming days. Breaking from India, Gnani.ai raises $10 million to build sovereign AI voice agents. Generative AI, GenAI, startup Gnani.ai has raised $10 million, around 94 crore rupees, in its Series B funding round led by. This is a significant development from Gnani.ai Raises, with more details expected in the coming days. Breaking from Asia, Alibaba International launches Accio Work AI agent, says it can build online stores in 30 minutes. Alibaba International today launched its enterprise-grade AI agent, Accio Work, in overseas markets, claiming it can autonomously handle the entire e-commerce workflow, from store setup and operations to marketing and cross-border sourcing. Accio Work integrates specialized AI agents, including e-commerce experts, online store operators, and dropshipping assistants, and offers customizable skill packages across supply chain, marketing. Breaking from the United States, the Galaxy S26 photo app can sloppify your memories. The Google Pixel 9 walked so that the Samsung Galaxy S26 could run. Google introduced AI editing tools to photos slowly. It started with changes to the background, make the sky more blue, or remove crowds of tourists. Things got weird once the company added natural language requests and let you ask for basically. In global AI news, OpenAI officially confirms mega funding round and ChatGPT super app. OpenAI closes a $122 billion funding round at an $852 billion valuation, officially unveils the ChatGPT super app, and signals a hard pivot toward enterprise. The article OpenAI officially confirms mega funding round and ChatGPT super app appeared first on the Decoder. This is a significant development from OpenAI, with more details expected in the coming days. That's your AI Chronicle update for today. Hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell for daily AI news. See you tomorrow.